a tree frog versus a Russian toad.
Parker, don't. I'm going to put him back in the tree. Here. Here, little guy.
Who wins? The tree frog! And this is...
Just let him be in there.
Nature is always not fair, but they have to live that way. And this is a no-show Iggy. And I'm so close giant. And this video is called Awesome Channel Nature. And it tells about animals. And I think this is a great tree frog. And it was in America, I think. Yep. Or a black tree frog. I don't know what type of tree frog it is. I bet a tree frog will like it. Tree frog? Yep. But he's back on Parker Island. And we got a trip to Michigan.